guys, good morning and good afternoon and good evening again to all of you. Ayan, kamusta naman po kayong lahat? And as you can see, nandito ako sa aking favorite kitchen. Na-miss ko talaga ang kitchen ng schools. So yan, itatry nating magluto ng Souffle Pancake. Souffle Pancake ba yun? Ayan, so magta-try tayong magluto ng trending na trending ngayon. So yan, samahan nyo ako for today's vlog. So, just keep on watching. And yes guys, I'm back. Ayan, as you can see, nandito nga tayo sa aking favorite kitchen. And let's start! Nakagawa na tayo ng cute na Mickey Mouse na shuffle. So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo at sana igawa nyo rin ng inyong mga kids ng cute na shuffle na ito, na shuffle na trending ngayon dito sa buong mundo, one of the quarantine food rin kasi syempre madali lang siyang lutuin. So yan guys, that's it for today's vlog. So guys, thanks again for watching and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Brigitte's Vlog.